In this video, I'm taking that car and I'm putting a battery in it and I'm gonna run it without shocks. This is my overdose Golem. It has no dampers on it. I put turnbuckles here in place of the actual dampers and the same right here. And I really wanna know what it's gonna do. So let's put a battery in it and let's find out. So here's your chance. Leave a comment. What do you think is gonna happen when I start driving this? Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am just blown away at the performance of the Golem after taking the dampers off. I did not expect it to drive that good, let alone be able to manipulate the car in the way that I did. And the reason why I think it works is because although I've been driving this car constantly, consistently with suspension on it, my setup and everything that I need for this car to work perfectly is in the small window of the suspension travel. So when I set my car up without dampers or shocks on them, I put it at a certain ride height in the front and a certain ride height in the rear. My axle is perfectly straight in the rear. My steering from lock to lock is great in the front. And it just works because we're already on plastic tires. My concrete is pretty smooth. It's an RR Golem and it just works. Will it work for you? I don't know. But this is your sign to give it a try if you haven't already and see what results you get. Keep God first. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.